how you can actually create your AI avatar, like me now. I am created by just using only this picture, and I am talking right now to you, as you can see. This tutorial, I'll show you how to generate videos using YouTube AI's new features. Let's dive in. If today is your first time coming into my channel, I'm glad to welcome you. I'm T Bronze Epics. On this channel, I talked about how to build and grow your channel from scratch. You'll be getting informal knowledge, tools you can use, and tips for monetization growth and YouTube new development updates in simple terms. I believe everyone deserves to understand about any new updates. If this sounds like what you want, feel free to subscribe to this channel and like this video by giving me a thumbs up, and make sure to press the notification button for more new videos. How to edit your video with this free video editing software. And at the end of this video, you will create an amazing, perfect visual story.
Now, for those that do not have any niche, they do not have anything already that they want to be posting, YouTube have now make it easier for you to post, for you to make money on YouTube. As I said earlier, that even though you do not have any niche, you can create a channel and start posting. Only what you need is a prompt. Now, this is where the magic is. You press this plus button like this. When you press it, so right now I don't really know, maybe you can continue video as I'm doing this screenshot. If I want to press, you are going to give it a try. If it is work, good, which means you'll be seeing it. Now, here is the magic here. The magic is that now you bring out this notification. You are responsible for the content that you are creating and publish with YouTube AI feature. That is the real deal now, that lots of people have not yet understand that they can actually create a channel and be posting without even not understanding what their niche is already, but they can start creating something with only their idea from their head. Then you press continue, which means you have to use your picture. If you don't want any copyright, use your picture. After all, you do not have the exact video, but you can use your picture, and you'll be using your picture to be designed whatsoever thing you want your picture to look like. So that is another notification for you. Don't use anybody image, use your image, because even though YouTube make it easier for everybody to have a channel and start creating, become a creator, doesn't mean that you use another person picture or another person video. Copyright comes in, and also they will ban that channel. So that is number one information that you have to know. A lot of information will be coming in as you create this information. When you follow this channel, I'll be dropping what do's and don'ts, what you can do and what you cannot do, what you can embed that will make your channel, your video to get more viral, and what you cannot do, what you have to indulge for YouTube not to give you any kind of scenario of demonetizing or cancel and banning your channel. So all those information is also very essential for you to know. So do well to subscribe to this channel for you to be getting the latest notification that can protect and guide you. Now you can see it says you can choose any kind of things. First of all, add your picture. Let's go to our gallery like this. You can see there's a lot of my picture here. You can add any of your picture that you want to add, so that it will first of all recognize your face like this. Then you give it a prompt. You can say, now, for example, I'm just using it. I know that a lot of us right now, we have different idea, but we don't know how to publish it. So YouTube AI feature will help you to publish whatsoever that you have on your brain, that your idea can come to life like this. Now just give it a prompt. Just write, make me dance. Or now let me use this, make me hold a big sun, and you press this arrow button here, go, and you wait for the magic to happen. You wait for the magic to happen. This so excited. YouTube make is giving out this information to everybody to become easier content creator. There is no excuse for you that you say because I didn't have this. There is no excuse, only if you are not willing to take the first step. When you have the will, there is always a way. Even though Facebook also have its own AI, all these apps, they are not making it easier for everybody to be able to become a content creator, for you to make it. There's no excuse for you to be lack or because I don't have something, that's why you are in this level. No, no excuse in this 2026. So now, make sure you use this format that I'm bringing out for you. If you are not yet like this video, drop your like and drop your comment if there's any other thing you want me to explain to you. As you can see, boom, that is the magic. I'm holding a big sun with only my prompts. Now, then you press next. As you can see the magic. And then you press next, you download it. You had your thumbnail, you had your title, you had your hashtag. A lot of lessons, if you do not know how to add hashtag, you don't know how to add, you don't know how to edit it, I'll be doing another video. But to make this video short for you to understand and to follow the step by step for you to understand or get complicated, you can go ahead and watch the video over and over again for you to understand it very clear. Now, you press next. You press next again, and then you wait for it. Now you have your video. Now you press upload. When you press this upload, you can see at the bottom like this that it brings these signs. So you wait for it to upload. You wait, make sure you wait for it to upload. It didn't take much time. Here like this. You can see it's there that the blue arrow is covering with blue signs. So you wait for it to upload. Then after it upload, to make this video a little short for you to not get misunderstanding, you can go ahead and watch the video over and over again. Share this video to your friends that you also know that they also need to create YouTube channel. Maybe people are telling them bring money. No. For those that do not know how to optimize their video, so drop in your comments. I will also be bringing out much information, or go ahead and watch my video that are already showing how to edit a video, how to create thumbnail, how to create banner. You can see it at the edge of this video right now. Go ahead and watch some that can help you and that can take you along, teach you more on how you can become a good pro content creator like this. You wait for it to upload. Boom, you have your video with just a second. With a second. So that is it. You can see that I say see your video, upload to your channel. Now, because you have created a channel, you say your video have uploaded to your channel, and then you can see it like this. This is the video here. You pressed it. Your video has come onto your channel. Now, how can you edit this video also to optimize it? Because you have to optimize it much better. You press these three buttons. Subscribe to this channel. Next on my video, I will show you how you can optimize this video for much better optimization for YouTube to push your video to more viewers. How you can add tags, how you can add a title on it, because that is also necessary. So see you, bye.